All right, today I have a Siemens dishwasher and I'm going to show you how to refill the salt in the dishwasher. But before we get started, could you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so right here, let's get started. We have the Siemens dishwasher. And for some people, you may have hard water and may need to add salt to soften the water to make it easier for the dishwasher to clean your dishes. Well, I'm going to show you where the compartment is for adding salt and how to open the compartment before you add the salt to the compartment. So with the Siemens dishwasher, I have the door wide open, the grate wide open. All right, Tom Petty. All right, so we're going to open up the door and then we're going to come in and we're going to look down. Do you see this right here inside of the dishwasher? It's a great big space for washing dishes. So you come in and you look down right here and you see that it's almost like a gas cap. Now this right here is where you add salt to it. I'm getting a little closer so you can see it. It says salt, and it says it in a lot of different languages. So once you found this, you're gonna take this and twist it, and it pops open like that, and then you add the salt as required by the Siemens owner's manual. Read the owner's manual so you know how much to put in there, but you add the salt down in there, and when you're done, you just take the same cap, you come right here, and then you close this, just like that. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.